Jaws Jr. here for an in-shop experiment. Buddy of mine, Rick, I'll put a link to his videos down below, thought that he could help provide something else to our rock hounding videos. Not that he doesn't like our rock hounding videos. He's one of my biggest fans and the person who's helped me out the most with these videos. He thought, why not? Let's try something different. So that different thing is, he suggested that we go magnet fishing on occasion when we are out and about rock hounding, just to see what we have. So he actually bought the missus and I each one of these magnets. And these are a 220 pound capacity magnet. And we got them with carabiners with a 65 foot, 550 pound rope. So I thought, you know, we need to test this out first. And boy, do I have the thing to test it out with. And here's what I'm going to test it out with. What I have here is a Vulcan 100 pound anvil. I don't have it built to a frame yet. I've been wanting to do that. Procrastinating, putting it off. Now you're wondering why. Jaws, you're into rocks. Why do you have an anvil? Oh, you don't know the half of it. But you look at it, there's a number 10 right there, which stands for 100 pounds. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this and try to pick that up. Again, 100 pounds. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I've got it tied off to a rope here and a carabiner. So I thought before I go out there, I want to test. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, got gloves on so the rope doesn't tear my hands up, and we're going to see what happens. We're going to have to move this over, and yes, to move it, because I want it centered. Okay, here goes nothing. We'll see if this will actually lift up. Mind you, a 220 pound magnet lifting a 100 pound anvil. I would say that's a success. What about you? Now, mind you, how are you going to get that magnet off? Just like that. Now, remember this is a 220 pound one. They have them that go up to 660, well over 2,000 pounds, needless to say. Those are huge. We're starting off with the small ones that Rick gave us. If we decide that we want to go bigger, we can go bigger. But we can also double these up too, because we do have two of them now. Because he gave the Mrs. Jaws Jr. one, and she was excited. So, but, yeah, they pick up anything real easy. No problems whatsoever. So there you go. Rick, thank you. We'll be taking this with our rock hounding adventures, and wherever we have an opportunity, we'll see what we can find. So, hey, you never know what you're going to see here on the Adventures of Jaws Jr. We're always expanding what we want to show you guys and the different types of fun we have, and this is something new. So just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine! Now with a magnet fishing magnet. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya!